Hey everyone, Alexander over here, Coldwell Bank, and one more time with Don from Dr. House Home Inspection. Don, what's going on?
How you doing, Alex?
Good.
What are we going to talk about today?
I don't know. You tell me. I found a hole in the ground.
Hole
in the ground. So what's going on? Talk to me about this. Let me show you.
You got this big hole.
Whoa! What is this?
So this is a cesspool.
A cesspool?
Yeah, it's just stacked stone.
Okay.
With a pipe that goes into it. And
Okay.
they stopped making these somewhere around the 50s. So it's old, obviously. We don't test them anymore.
Why is that?
Rhode Island requires you to, on a real estate transaction, when you're purchasing a home that still has a cesspool, they require you to upgrade to either a septic system or tie into the sewer line if that's available within 1 year of purchase.
Okay. So you have to make sure that you have the money to do that replacement in 1 year, right?
Yes. So, people
So-
check into if there's a town sewer, or you would get a septic design installer here to give you a price estimate on the replacement of the cesspool to upgrade it to a septic system.
So nothing you have to check now. So how the cesspool works? In the meantime, the people is doing the stuff, buying the property.
So the cesspool is basically the water goes in here. It's supposed to leach out of the sides, but because it's been here for a minimum of 60, 70, 80 years, they typically don't absorb as much water as they need to for household usage anymore. So you could have backups if you don't actually stay on top of this and get it replaced.
So I think the most important thing right now, they have to suck it up all the gunk right now, or that's going to stay forever, or what's going to happen?
Well, the solids, you got to pump them out every few years, just like a septic system, but the water table here, because it's high, you have a stream there.
Okay.
It probably can absorb a lot of water.
Okay, but it's important to suck it up anyway, just in case, or no? Yeah. I don't know. You're the home inspector, dude.
But basically, the replacement's our recommendation on these.
Of course, the recommendations on that. All right, guys. Always appreciate you. Watch out with the hole. So I see you in the next one. All right, guys. Take care.
You.
It's Cesspool. Watch out.